Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's been a minute. No, it's been a minute, but I picked up this 2001 SL1 Saturn. Just y'all, I just want to show y'all real quick. Got little scratches on it. No, I picked this up from a one owner. It got low miles. I'm gonna show y'all the miles in a minute. Yep. 2001 SL1. Inside pretty clean too. Show y'all the inside real quick. Inside decent. I mean, pretty much one owner. Tell by the door panels, the dash and everything. Yeah. I mean, it need a headliner, but I ain't gonna worry about that right now. Let's show y'all these miles on it. I don't think I ever had a Saturn with this low miles.
You can go ahead and
Look at that. Let me see if y'all can y'all see that? 97,000 miles. Every one I got was in high hundreds, like 180 on up to 250, 60,000 when I bought them, but you know, star right up. No dash lights or nothing. Yeah, got a little factory radio, AM, FM, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Yep. Turn this off. Let me go show y'all the trunk real quick. Got a spare and everything. Trunk pretty clean. Yep. Let me go around it, close this up, go around it one more time, show y'all. I ain't gonna tell y'all how much I paid for it, but it was so cheap, man, it's ridiculous. Everybody knows it's hard to find a one owner car with these low miles, you know, for a decent price. Can't even get a good running car for cheap these days like you can back in the day. But yeah, that's my little 2001 SL1 Saturn, man, I just picked up. I ain't gonna lie, I wanted to get a fast-speed manual, the stick, and I wanted to get the dual overhead cam, the SL2, but I couldn't pass up this deal. You know, it's an SL1, it's automatic, but I mean, they still fun to drive though, and they pretty much reliable, and the parts cheap on, it's easy to fix, man. But I ain't gonna hold y'all up on this video. I'll catch y'all in some more videos, man, when I do the, I ain't doing much to it. I might do a radio. Flow mats, little steering wheel cover, LED or HID headlights, and maybe some air horns. You know, just safety stuff. You know, the lights, make the lights brighter, make the horn louder. You know, do a little inside. And for the headliner, I'm not gonna really spend no $200-300 for no headliner. I mean, I probably just throw some upholstery twist pins up there. Cause like I said, it's a headline. I ain't do too much. I'm trying to drive this car, put miles on it. So yeah, man. Comment in the comment below and tell me what year Saturn y'all got, how long y'all had it, how many miles. You know. Yeah, man. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Y'all be safe. Later.